Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to find your earbuds HONOR Earbuds X6 in the application. You have to start by open Huawei AI Space application, and if you HONOR AI Space application, and if you add your earbuds to the application, you will see them at the device list. Now tap on it, and right here at the left bottom we have Find Earbuds. Click on it, and now we can play sound at these earbuds, but I don't recommend to use it, so remove it from your ears. Then click Start and play, and it will play sound for both of the earbuds, and you can stop it for the left or right earbud. Let's say I don't need for the right one, I just stop it. It's the same with the left one. Also, you can just click stop to stop it for both the earbuds. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.